just can't believe that the sea is going into the fire, that one's Dargardism would lead to their otterness, or like a little medium-sized otterness, or how one would strike even numbers instead of odd numbers, or write in the most italic cursive fonts instead of, just a normal fancy script, or how chicken tenders would give rise to the moon rising, or why, one's little one would, both of them would sing a song of the sun, or why the blue Frithi would bring to the howl of the wet cats, and how the tears of your eyelashes, the drooping wet hairs of them without any tears or wet on them, their formulation would give rise to pumpkins growing in the patches and on the sides of hills. Why no one would know why when you close your eyes, on the other side of that is unending vision of everything that's there, and why one would say that ultimately the fall would let you be somewhere in the dimness of that blue hue brightness of why Picasso had his green period, or why Aesop Rock has got kind of a funky ba-da-da-da-da-da thing going on, or why nobody that's seen any type of color blue knows why the two front teeth of what would really make raisin bread good for them, go away from that icy igloo in the middle of the winter, cold, cold Arctic snow landscape, or why the Himmel is like, the snare drum of the sound of velcro strapping itself together.